Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to use Glycocept blood sugar support capsule. So you might be wondering, what is the Glycocept supplements that you may be hearing or seeing online? So Glycocept here is a dietary supplement marketed to support healthy blood sugar levels, glucose metabolism, and insulin sensitivity. Now, according to the official website here, the capsules are formulated with a blend of vitamins, minerals, and plant extracts intended to help maintain balanced blood sugar, reduce sugar cravings, and promote steady energy throughout the day. Now, the manufacturer states that the product is designed for daily use and does not contain prescription medications or synthetic hormones. The formula contains vitamin C, vitamin E, biotin, magnesium, zinc, manganese, chromium, and a proprietary herbal blend that includes like licorice root extract, juniper berry powder, Google resin extract, and alpha lipoic acid, bitter melon fruit extract, cayenne pepper fruit powder, cinnamon bark powder, banana leaf extract, white mulberry leaf powder, and yarrow flower powder, and a lot more. So, according to the manufacturer here, these ingredients are included to support glucose utilization, carbohydrate metabolism, antioxidant protection, and healthy insulin sensitivity. So, yeah, they do work with each other. So using the Glycocept here is quite straightforward. The official instructions recommend like taking 2 capsules daily with food and a glass of water. The manufacturer advises using a supplement consistently as part of your healthy lifestyle for optimal results. But it's best to check the actual manual if you do decide to order one from them, just to see if like dosing changed. Now, the official website here currently offers several purchasing options. So, 2 bottle supply is actually listed at around $79 per bottle. 3 bottle supply is around $69 per bottle, and 6 bottle supply at $49 per bottle. Larger packages includes like free shipping, and all purchases are backed by a 60-day money back guarantee. Prices and promotions may change over time. So that's essentially what Glycocept is and how it actually works. Now, since this is a health supplement, consulting a doctor or a qualified health care professional before use is highly recommended, especially if you're already taking certain medications or supplements here, or if you have any conditions that they need to take in mind, and also if just in case like if you have like certain allergies on certain ingredients inside a product. So that's why they consulting a doctor first is a safer option here, and this applies for anything that you're buying or you're taking for the first time. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.